Hey everyone, I'm Michel, co-founder of GMBapi.com. Welcome to the GMBapi Academy. We've created easy-to-follow videos to show you around our platform. In this particular video, we'll walk you through the content dashboard. Here, you can effortlessly share news, offers, events, and updates across all or subsets of your Google business profiles. Or alternatively, learn how to bulk upload services, photos, or videos. So let's dive in and explore this together.
In the sidebar, just below Attributes, you will see the Content tab, your gateway to sharing news, offers, events, and updates across your Google business profiles. On the left, you will see the Posting button. Click it, and you're presented with three options: News, Offer, and Events Post. For news posts, choose where you want to share. Select a labeling group, or handpick individual locations. Add a photo according to the guidelines, write your content, select a button, and add your URL with UTM. Schedule it for now, tomorrow morning, next week, or set a custom date. Moving to offer posts, where you can add a title and a start and end date for your promotions. Choose where you want to share by selecting a labeling group or individual locations. Add a photo according to the guidelines and schedule the post for now, tomorrow morning, next week, or a custom date. We also have the option for more data, where you can include further offer details, a discount code, or include terms and conditions. Finally, we have events posts. Fill in your events details, add a title, select a labeling group or individual locations, add a photo according to the guidelines, and optionally link a button. Schedule a start and end date for the event and a publish date, either now, tomorrow morning, next week, or set a custom date. Now, let's explore the Photos tab. Click Upload Photos on the right and choose from Location Photos, Cover Photos, or Logo Photos. For location photos, you will want to follow the image guidelines. Add your image and select a labeling group or individual locations. With cover photos, you follow the same steps as location photos, using the specifications listed and selecting a label group or individual locations you wish to update. Once posted, these images become your Google Business Profile's cover photos. Lastly, in the Logo tab, you can easily update the logo for all your locations on Google Business. Select the locations, upload a logo that meets specifications, and post the update.